Welcome to English Digital. Today we're going to look at ChatGPT versus Bing AI chatbot. Okay, so as you know, Microsoft has released their own chatbot version last month, I guess, which is very similar to ChatGPT, but it has certain advantages and disadvantages as well. So we're going to go through all of that today in this video. So watch the entire video, subscribe to the channel, and like this video as well, and share it with your friends if it's useful to you. Okay, so like we all know, we have been using ChatGPT for the past 3-4 months, and it's been a big hit. It's been building a lot of hype. Okay, so we have Microsoft with their own version of Chat AI. We have Google, which is testing its Bard AI chat. So we're going to see how this chat AIs respond to certain inquiries. Okay, so I asked a simple question as to how to make a cup of tea to ChatGPT, and it gives me a very point form answer, which is quite useful, and gives all the steps on how to make a cup of tea. The same question I asked the Bing AI chat, and it gave me a similar answer in point form, but the only difference is it gives me referral links. Now these are referral links on how to make a good cup of tea from websites like WikiHow, and here's Sprouse Eats. The difference is, as you can see, Bing AI chat gives more credibility to its answers with its reference. So referencing is very important. Like if a person who had done an MBA or a master's degree or thesis will know, any content with the referencing is very important for it to have credibility. So Bing AI has got that part right. Okay, so ChatGPT still has some way to go in terms of giving references to website links. So we asked another question: can write 1,000 words article on how to write a business letter to ChatGPT, and it gave not 1,000 words, but 500 to 600 words descriptive content on how to write a business letter. Same question I asked Bing AI, and it says it can't give 1,000 words article, but it provides some steps, and again with the reference links. Now Bing AI works with 3 functions. That is, it's creative mode, balanced mode, and precise mode. So here, this question I asked in its precise mode, and I get a precise to the point answer. The same question I asked with its creative mode set, and you can just choose, it just changes, click this, it just changes. So I get a more descriptive answer of the tips to write a business letter with an example as well. So that is very, very useful, because it gives you options where you can really go around and get some creative answers, the balance, and the precise answer. So it gives the user the versatility to use the platform, whereas ChatGPT has the free version just has one way, one method. So that's a bit of a disadvantage when you compare to Bing AI chatbot. Okay, so I asked another question to ChatGPT: how do I plan a holiday vacation to Bali? And it gave me a descriptive answer. Yeah, on point form, a long answer. Okay, so but we don't know how much information in this is right, wrong. We have no cross references to check whether we do further research. But when I asked the same question to Bing AI, bam, it just gave me a few points, but it gives me the reference links with search. Yeah, what to do, see, and what to do in Bali, YouTube videos related to Bali, travel articles related to Bali. So it gives you a see more button where I can click and go to Bing Travel, that's the travel section, and read everything about Bali. So that's the power of the Bing AI chat box, where it's completely integrated with its search engine, Microsoft Bing. So it gives you a elaborative answer to the question. So that is very, very important, especially if you're seeking information with regards to travel or money or any important decisions which you need to take before, which really which you really, when you're, especially if you're going in person, important investment or traveling, accurate information is important. Where ChatGPT, you cannot guarantee that information because it's not up to date. Up to 2021 only its language model has been trained. So that's ChatGPT 3. ChatGPT 4, it might be better, but we have to wait and see. Okay, if you look at as another investment question, what are the banks offering the highest interest rate fixed deposit in India? And ChatGPT gives an old answer, which it says it's not. Again, it mentions here, so it can't give an accurate answer, but it just based on information what it has, it pulled out, whatever info it could about interest rates in India. And I asked the same question to Bing AI chatbot. Wow, I got a small descriptive answer, but it's up to date from its search engine, and it gives me the related websites which should direct me to the current interest rates going in these Indian banks. So that's very, very useful. If you scroll down further, see, okay, now here what I did was I just came here, scroll down, and it goes directly to the browser, and this question which I asked earlier, already it's in the search. See, you get the full results, search results up to date. If I scroll up, it goes back to the AI chatbot. So it's integrated with the search engine. Okay, so that is very, very see, I think when I went up again, started generating answers, another set of answers for me again. So ChatGPT in that case is very much advanced when in comparison to the Bing, Microsoft Bing AI is more advanced compared to ChatGPT related to giving answers to the point. That's very important. Descriptive answers might be very long, content might be good if you're writing a blog or if you're a journalist, but at the end of the day you need answers to the point when you ask questions. So Bing AI chat solves that problem for you. And another video we look at Microsoft, we look at the Google Bard as well, how it does well, how it fares against these two platforms. Then we'll know where we stand for users. Actually, you can try all of this. You can test these platforms, and it can be very useful, especially if you're doing a desk job, if you're doing a research job, if you're doing digital marketing, content creation. These two platforms will save you a lot of time, and they can be, your AI employee basically, and you can employ them free of charge and to get a lot of things done and sorted out. So I would always advise for you all to try these platforms. And if you don't have the link to the Microsoft Bing AI chat, the link is in the description. You can click it and you can sign up with your Microsoft email, Yahoo, or even a Google Gmail. So it's free to use, and it doesn't get stuck. Not like the ChatGPT. If there's a bit of internet buffering with the connection, or if there's a server overload, you get an error, right? That it cannot process, and you re-type the question to refresh the screen. But with Bing AI, you will not face that issues. Server doesn't go down. It always gives you the answer. So that's one of the main big plus points with Bing AI. So I would encourage you to use these tools in your work and in your business. And for any doubts, any questions, please do leave in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, support my channel, and I will look forward to producing useful videos like this going forward. So until next time, it's bye bye from English Digital. Thank you.